Hey guys, Andrea here. Today we will continue solving for x. Question 1. 8x plus 20 equals 4. First, we get rid of the 20. In this question, we have a plus 20. So what we do is minus 20. Plus 20 and minus 20 cancel each other out. Another important point to remember is that whatever alteration you do on one side of the equal, we must repeat the same on the other side. In this equation, we deducted 20 from the left side of the equal, so we will deduct 20 from the right side of the equal as well. 4 minus 20 is minus 16. Remember the minus sign. Now the equation looks like this. 8x equals minus 16. The next step is to solve for x, or get the x by itself. Right now, the x is multiplied by 8. That's what 8x means. When you have a number and a letter next to each other without any operation sign, it means it is a multiplication. So if we divide the 8x by 8, the 8's will cancel and you will have x on its own. Once again, whatever you do on one side of the equal, the same operation must be carried out on the other side. We divide 8x by 8, and now we divide minus 16 by 8 as well, and you get the answer minus 2. Question 2. 12 minus x equals 5. First, we remove the 12. Here, there is no plus or minus sign in front of the 12. If you ever come across an equation like this, you will always read the number as a positive integer. Now to eliminate the 12, we subtract 12 from this side. And we subtract 12 from the other side. We are left with minus x equals minus 7. Since there is a subtraction sign on both sides, you can remove them. So your final answer is x equals 7. Question 3. 18 minus 4x equals 2. We subtract 18 from both sides and you are left with minus 4x equals minus 16. Now to solve for x, we divide both sides by minus 4, where you get the x alone on this side and minus 16 divided by minus 4 equals 4. You might be wondering why the answer is 4 and not minus 4. Because minus 4 times minus 4 would be 16, not minus 16, whereas minus 4 times 4 equals minus 16. Therefore, x equals 4. Question 4. 2x minus 8 equals 14. This is a simple equation. First, we add 8 to both sides. The new equation is 2x equals 22. Now we divide both sides by 2 and you get your answer, x equals 11. Question 5. X plus 3 over 4 equals 6. Or we can even just say it as x plus 3 divided by 4 equals 6. First, we should get rid of the division so we can have an equation on a single line. To do this, we multiply both sides by 4. This side, both the 4's cancel each other out. And on this side, 6 times 4 equals 24. Now we have an equation on a single line. X plus 3 equals 24. Now we just subtract 3 from each side and you have your answer. X equals 21. Question 6. This equation is a little different, but still very easy to solve. When you have brackets in your equation, the first thing we have to do is get rid of the brackets. How do we do that? It's simple. You multiply everything inside the bracket by the number outside. In this case, we multiply everything by 3. 3 times x is 3x, plus 3 times 4 is 12, and the 24 stays the same. Now we subtract 12 from both sides, and you are left with 3x equals 12. Finally, divide both sides by 3, and you get your answer, x equals 4. Question 7. Just like the previous question, we first eliminate the bracket by multiplying everything inside the bracket by 5. 5 times 2x is 10x, plus 5 times 7 is 35, and the 20 stays the same. Now we subtract 35 from both sides, and you are left with 10x equals minus 15. Always remember the minus. Finally, we divide both sides by 10. 10x divided by 10 leaves you with x, and minus 15 divided by 10 leaves you with minus 1.5, and that's your answer. Question 8. 7x plus 3 equals 5x plus 9. This may look a little confusing, but it really isn't. Our goal is to solve for x. How do we do that? We get the x's on one side of the equals and the number on the other side. First, we subtract 5x from both sides. Now the equation looks like this. From 2x plus 3 equals 9, we subtract 3 from both sides, and the result is 2x equals 6. Finally, we divide both sides by 2, and you've solved for x. Let's do a quick check to see if we've done it correctly. So we substitute the x's by 3. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. So this side we get 24, so if our answer is correct, we should get 24 on the other side too. Let's substitute the x with 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 9 is 24. Question 9. The first step is to get rid of all the brackets. We do that by multiplying everything inside the bracket by 5. 5 times x is 5x, minus 5 times 2 is 10. So the next step is to get all the like terms together. We subtract 5x from both sides, and you are left with 2x plus 6 equals minus 10. Now we subtract 6 from both sides. We have 2x on this side, and minus 10 minus 6 equals minus 16. Finally, we divide both sides by 2, and your answer is x equals minus 8. Question 10. Let's remove the brackets by multiplying everything inside the bracket by 4. 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times minus 5 is 20, and now the equation is 8x minus 20 equals 5x plus 4. We now get the x's on one side of the equation and the numbers on the other side. We deduct 5x from the right side, and they will cross each other out. We then deduct 5x from the left side. 8x minus 5x equals 3x. Now the equation looks like this. 3x minus 20 equals 4. We add 20 to this side, and they cross each other out. We add 20 to the other side, and you get 24. So 3x equals 24. We finally divide both sides by 3, and you get x equals 8. I hope these have been helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. Until next time, bye!